Hello guys. Today I'm going to talk about our project which me and my teammates have been working on for the past few months. The title of our project is Medical Testing Model. It is because we in this project are going to automate some of the medical procedures through image processing. In this, we're going to capture an image of the test samples, and then that image will be run through a model to determine the results of the tests. Here we see the flowchart of our project. In the beginning, we select the tests we need to run on the samples, and then the camera captures an image of the test samples, and that image is run through the model to determine the test results, and the same is distributed to the user in form of reports. In the block diagram, you can see a luminous source. We use the luminous source to avoid inconsistent lighting that may vary the result or the test results in our project. Here is some of the survey we had done to see what kind of tests we can run through this model. For example, jaundice test, calcium test, cholesterol test, and sugar test. Components we require in this project. The important component would be a Raspberry Pi as a processor of our model. We chose Raspberry Pi because it has a powerful CPU and is very compact, and it supports wireless communication as well. In particularly, we have chosen Raspberry Pi Zero W as our processor because it consumes low power, and its relative cost to other processors is very less. It also supports a camera module which we require in a project. Alongside that, we use the Raspberry Pi Zero W camera module to take the pictures of the samples. In software requirements, we require Raspberry environment to set up our Raspberry Pi and Visual Studio Code, or you can use any other code editor to code your software. For our image processing model, we have used regression. Now, regression is a very broad concept to be explained here, but you get the idea. Key advantages of a project is that we can compute multiple tests at the same time and hence saving time. This also avoids human errors that may occur in non-automated testings. After the results are generated, they can be since the results are automatically generated, they can be also automatically sent to the users. This also saves time. Since this is a prototype, it can be converted in future as a reliable industrial product. It can also be used in other fields with the same concept, such as soil management, etc. So, in conclusion, the medical testing system to be developed will be ensured to be of less cost, as we are using uh, certain things that cost less but give us the output. This project will save precious time in the medical testing part and will give results out as fast as possible so that the treatment, if necessary, can be started as soon as possible. Thank you for listening to me. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you try this yourself, if you try to implement this project, and if you are finding certain difficulties, you can comment down below and I will try my best to help you. Thank you.